Hello, welcome to Narellan Auto Parts Plus. Today I've got a 2011 VE Commodore Storm Ute. It's a 3.6 LLT V6 engine, 6-speed manual gearbox. As you can see, it's got a little dent in the bull bar there. Taking a whack down the side. Do a quick walk around. We've got a good set of tail lights, a rear bar, tailgate, tub liner. It's all in there. There's even a tow bar. Looks like it had a canopy on it, but it's gone. 19-inch wheels, they've got some scuff marks on them. Get a compliance plate. There it is. See that? A bit dark and shiny. Good mud guards. Bottom's got a couple of dings and dents on it. Looks good, but when you have a close look, it's definitely not perfect. The dings there and over there. Here's our engine. It's 176,000 k's. I'll start it up for you in a sec. Bull bar's got probably could repair the bull bar if you're keen. Wouldn't take too much, but side curtain's gone off. Alright. 6-speed. 176,014 k's. I'm not sure if you can see that there. Start it up. Not sure where we get the kilometres on this now. There we go. So there it is. One SV6 Storm Ute for dismantling at Narellan Auto Parts Plus. There's that number on the wall. Give us a call, 0246461733 for the Parts Plus team, and they'll help you out. Okay, thanks for watching and bye for now.